Now consider such type of the square pyramid which is resting on one of its base on horizontal plane. Its triangular face is inclined to HP at a 60 degree. So this is our final required condition. So initially assume that this base is fully resting on horizontal plane. So draw its top view first, then draw its front view, then redraw this front view in this way such that this triangular face is inclined to HP at a 60 degree. Then its top view will appear as like this one. So here this red color triangular face is clearly visible. This one and this one is also visible. Now what will be the hidden? So here this base edge means this base edge is not visible, which we have to show by a dotted line. So this will be the dotted line. This is the axis. In this way we have to show or complete its top view. As the square pyramid is resting on one of its base on HP and inclined to HP in such a way that a triangular face passing through this resting edge is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to HP. So how to draw its projection? As it is resting on its base edge is resting on HP. So initially assume that its full base is fully resting on HP. So we have to draw top view at first of a given side. So leave the distance of 10 millimeter and draw this line of 40 millimeter. Draw this another line of 40 millimeter and thus complete its top view. The length is of 40 millimeter. So this dimension of 40 millimeter means the square of a 40 millimeter side is drawn here. Now in top view, its all slant edges will be visible. So represented by regular dark line. To maintain the darkness of a line, rotate this pencil little bit so that uniform thickness will be maintained. Label it as A, B, C and D. This will be the vertex P. So now to draw its projections in front view, shift these projections as axis height is of 60 millimeter. So mark distance of 60 millimeter. This is distance or height of axis is 60 millimeter. So showing it here. And complete the front view. is of a 60 millimeter height. Label the points here: A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. The vertex V dash will be here. Now, as this is a resting on this edge CD on horizontal plane. Now the triangular face, means this triangular face, we have to incline to XY or to HP at a 30-degree angle. So mark the comfortable point here. So label this as a C dash and D dash. Now through this draw a line, which is inclined at a 60-degree, angle is of a 60-degree. So draw the line at an angle of a 60-degree. Draw this very faint line. Now on this line, means indirectly we have to draw this line which is inclined at a 30-degree. C dash, D dash is available. Now we have to locate the point V dash. So take this distance in compass and mark the point V dash here. So the V dash, thus we'll get the V dash. Now we have to mark this point, that is A dash, B dash. So take this distance in compass, take this as a center and draw this arc. Now I can take this distance, take this CB as a center, V dash as a center, and intersect the previously drawn arc. Join it by straight line. Now, this should not be very dark. This axis, this should not be drawn in dark mode. The axis should be represented in this way, that is by center line. Now represent the axis in final front view. Take this distance and locate it here. So through this, draw this center line which will indicate the axis. So in this way the axis is represented here. Now to draw the final top view, we are looking in this direction for final top view, and we are looking in the directions which faces are visible. So if we observe here, if we are looking in this direction, all these triangular faces are visible, but when it is inclined to get such type of the front view, then this surface is a triangular face is clearly visible, that is A, B, V is clearly visible. So we will try to show this surface first. So through A dash, so A, draw horizontal line, and through A dash draw vertical line. So we will get this point, that is A. Now through B, draw horizontal projection line. I think the B is represented here, and the intersection of these 2 points gives point B. Now we have to locate the vertex V. For vertex V, draw this vertical projection line. Intersection, this gives us V. Now ABV is clearly visible, show it by regular line. Now for triangular face BVC, let us have to take the judgment whether it is visible or hidden. So for BVC, BV is already marked here. Now try to locate the position of C. If the point C will lie within of this triangle, then this edge will be not visible, it is hidden. But if the point C lies outside of this triangle, then it is visible. So locate the point C, and the point C will be here. As the point C lies outside of this visible triangular face, then this triangular face BCV is clearly visible. So join it by regular line. Similarly for AVD triangular face, AV is already drawn. Now for point D, so the point D will be here. As a point D is outside of this triangular face, similar to C, similar to triangular face BVC, this is also clearly visible. So it is represented by visible outlines. Now as it is resting on HCD, so HCD is here, and while looking from this direction, this HCD is not visible, so it should be represented or drawn by dotted line. So show this angle here. Angle is 60 degree. Thus our completed. Drawing is completed. Observe the darkness and thickness of the lines to have a good drawing.